Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with OneDrive Microsoft Graph permissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing OneDrive using Microsoft Graph permissions, open your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Azure portal. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Azure Active Directory option on the left sidebar. Click on App Registrations under the Azure Active Directory section. Select the New Registration button at the top of the screen. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Choose the appropriate account type for your application. For the redirect URI, choose Web and enter a valid URI. Click on the Register button to create your application. After registration, you'll be taken to your app's overview page. Take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID for later use. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab on the left. Click on New Client Secret to create a new secret. Provide a description and set an expiration period for the secret. Click on Add to generate the client secret. Make sure to copy the client's secret value immediately, as it will be hidden later. Next, move on to the API Permissions section in the left sidebar. Click on Add a permission to configure permissions for Microsoft Graph. Select Microsoft Graph from the available options. Choose Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions based on your needs. Search for and select the OneDrive permissions you require, such as Files Read or Files.ReadWrite. After selecting the permissions, return to the Overview section to review your app's configuration. Make sure all details are correct, including the permissions and client secret. Now that you are set up, you can use the application ID, tenant ID, and client secret to authorize through your code. Start implementing the authorization flow using OAuth 2.0. You can utilize libraries like MSAL for easier integration. Once integrated, your application will be able to access OneDrive using Microsoft Graph. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.